Hello and welcome to another update video about Coti. Coti is doing fairly well at the moment. You know, we've been waiting for this confirmed breakout out of this descending wedge now for a while. So I did mention in previous videos that at first it looked like a descending triangle, but then I adjusted it later to a descending wedge, which made more sense as well. Did mention it's a bullish pattern, and we eventually broke out. We tried various breakouts already here, and here. They were all fake outs, but this one looks indeed like a confirmed one at the moment. And to be honest, we couldn't break back in anymore because there's not really any space left in this descending wedge. So that is a good sign. We have also managed to get above the previous high here at 52.6 cents. And we've actually come all the way up to nearly 55 cents yesterday. Now we dropped down again. I think we are currently retesting this as support. Yeah, we dropped down again, fell a little bit below, found support at the 20-day moving average. Now I think we are testing this horizontal, this previous high. We're testing currently at this level. Now, if that is successful, I think we can continue to move up, certainly to the to those previous highs here, where we had again resistance here at around 56 cents. And from here, we could then continue all the way up to 61 cents. I think it's looking good because we came above that previous major high. It showed that we found support at the 20-day moving average. So that 20-day moving average provided resistance here before. It is now providing support. So that will help us on our way to the upside. That is also what the situation is with Solana at the moment, where we have the 20-day moving average just sort of below us. So very powerful, very interesting. And we're currently moving through key resistance levels. Now, that retracement from up here at around 56 cents now helped us to bring the RSI down, which is required for further moves to the upside, because, you know, we were already over, we went at nearly 75, way overboard. So we need that retracement here on the 4-hour to continue. We already had a buy signal here on the MACD on the 19th of October on the 4-hour chart, and we are in an uptrend now on the 4-hour chart as well. That's all pointing to further price increases. I mean, we've come from a long period of consolidation now, so I think we really now have the scope to continue our way to the upside. And Coti, if you remember, I started talking about Coti when it was at 13 cents. Great project, also related to Cardano in various ways. So really looking forward to further price increases here, but we have a lot of resistance areas now to get through, to work through. After that, you could call it a bull flag, or after that retracement within a descending wedge. So really good. You know, I'm bullish on Coti. We're currently approaching that next resistance level of 56 cents. Currently waiting for that retest. Seems to be successful at the moment. And also here on the daily, you can see how much scope we actually have to move to the upside on the RSI. Now that is looking good. And also on the MACD, I think we've found a bottom here on the 20th. Yeah, and we're making a turnaround here. Might get a bull and a buy signal now on the daily. Now, the last time we had that on the daily was here on the 21st of September. Now, just want to show you what happened after that in terms of price moves. So we had a buy signal here, and let's just say at some point here to the high, those were 66% increases. So Coti, you know, I've been sort of pushing Coti on this channel. Again, I don't give any financial advice, but you know that I like Coti, and that I believe in the strength of this project. Looking good on the chart, and really just that brief update that we are on our way up now, that we have broken key resistance levels and we're above the moving averages, and overall it is looking good. We can take a look on the shorter term time frame, really just to get more idea about this retest. Currently you can see that horizontal here that we're currently retesting. And yeah, you need to watch that level closely, because if we drop down further, again, then we could find more support at the 20-day moving average. So we've got a confluence here of various support levels, which are helping us to push the price higher. So I'm bullish on Coti, and we also have volume, yeah, which has gone up as well. So it's quite powerful. So we have scope to move to the upside. We seem to have found a way now to get out of this descending wedge. And what we can also identify here on the 1-hour chart, and again, that's something you could put on your chart, is that ascending trend line here. If we drop below that now, that could indicate further price drops. So as long as we're above that, I think we continue in that fashion, move again towards the 56 cents, and from there could break to the upside. So really just a brief update, but look at the volume compared to where we were before. Yeah, look at the volume compared to these days before and these hours before. So really in the last few hours have had a lot of volume coming up, and compare that to all the weeks before, we could certainly see a peak here, not where we were here at in that period around end of September, but certainly much higher than we were in all of the weeks before. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that brief update about Coti. Let me know if you want me to cover Coti going forward. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.